birthday and I love you.
Hi ma, happy birthday. Ilan taon ka na ba? Matagal-tagal nang walang Happy birthday ma. Thank you very much sa Panginoon dahil binigay niya ang iyong buhay sa amin. Ay, naway pinagdarasal namin na sana humaba pa ang iyong buhay. And bigyan ka pa ng Panginoon ng marami pang birthdays and good health. Maraming salamat dahil ikaw ang tunay na magandang example ng pagiging mama. Thank you sa pag-aalaga sa aming mga anak, lalong-lalo na sa anak ni Jonah. Sa anak ko. And namimiss ko na yung pagluluto mo. Iba talaga ang pag-aaruga ng magulang. Thank you ma, and I love you so much.
Hi Mama, happy birthday. And wala na ako may healing pa kasi I know all the prayers na ginawa mo were all answered. Andyan ka, Sandro and John are taking care of you. And all of your children are all successful, including myself. No, I'm just kidding. Kahit pa paano, blessed naman kami dito and we can survive. So, wag mo na masyadong intindihin. Hindi na ako nagpapatugtog ng malakas. Lagi na lang ako binabarangay. So, wag mo na isipin yun. Naayos na. And one thing that I would like to thank you is investing time kay Teo. Yung time na nandito ka, tinanim mo sa isip niya kung gaano ka-importante ang Panginoon. So, hanggang ngayon, dala-dala niya yun. And spiritually, parang mas matured pa siya kaysa sa akin. So, I'm really thankful. And I'm hoping in the future na makasama pa kita, makasama ka pa namin. Maikli lang ang panahon. So, habang tumatanda ka, doon mo na-realize yung mga bagay na kailangan mong bigyan ng halaga. And isa ka sa mahalagang tao sa buhay ko. So, maraming salamat sa pagiging ina, I should say. And salamat na lagi andyan ka. When I needed help, when I'm down, you always give wisdom and a good example how to become a good parent. And if sasabihin nila is walang perfect na magulang, but I think I have one. Ikaw yun. So, maraming salamat. And happy birthday again. Yun lang. Enjoy your day. Bye.
Happy birthday, Lola, when I miss you. And I hope you're safe there. That's all na. Love you. Bye.
Si Lola.
I miss you, Lola.
Happy birthday. I love you.
Love you. Happy birthday to Lola Wayne. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
En français, French. Bonne fête à toi.
Bonne fête à toi. Bonne fête à toi. Bonne fête à toi.
Hello, mabuhay! Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Ate, happy birthday. Saan mo ba kami pakakainin yan? Ano ba naman yan? Oh, paano? Yun lang muna sa ngayon. Kita-kits na lang sa pag-uwi nyo. Bye-bye, happy birthday, and I wish you have a longer life. Sige, bye-bye.
Ate, happy birthday. Wala, matanda na tayo. Malapit na tayong magsama-sama sa kabilang buhay. Basta ate, we love you. Yan lang ate.
Hi ate, happy birthday. Best of health always. Hope you're enjoying your stay there. We wish you well always. And yeah, happy birthday. And regards to Jonah and the kids and Zandro and family. We wish you all the very best on your birthday.
Hi ate, happy birthday. Ingat kayo dyan. All the best. And Merry Christmas sa lahat.
Merry Christmas sa lahat. And Happy New Year.
Yeah, ingat.
Hopefully 2022 will be good for everybody.
Okay.
Okay, bye-bye.
Ingat, salamat.
Love you all.
Love you all. Bye.
Hi, Te. Just want to wish you a happy birthday and more blessings, and may you have more birthdays to come. I love you so much. Bye.
Happy birthday, Ate Weng, and I wish you all the best, long life, good health, and more blessings. Have a great one and enjoy your day. Happy 61st birthday. Mwah!
From us here at Makati City, Philippines,
we would like to greet Mama Weng
a happy birthday! Yes, of course, Tita Weng, maraming salamat sa lahat ng mga naitulong mo at naitulong ng buong family nyo sa amin this pandemic. We truly appreciate it. And sobrang miss ka na namin, Tita Weng, yung pag-aalaga nyo sa amin, yung panahon nandito kayo. So, siyempre, may sasabihin din ng dalawang naalagaan mo.
Wala sikreto, may iyak.
Iyak ka na agad. Ano?
Hi, Tita Weng, happy birthday. Thank you sa lahat. Thank you sa pagtulong niyo sa amin this pandemic. And sana i-bless pa kayo ni Lord. And long life, Mama Weng. Hi, Miss Weng Dudes! It's your special day. And gusto naming magpasalamat ni Margaret sa lahat na itulong mo sa amin, yung growth namin as a kid when we were young. And maraming pasalamat. Salamat kila Ate Jonah, kila Ate Tina, kila Kuya Paul.
Si Tita Weng lang may birthday. Si Tita Weng lang may birthday.
Ano sa rinig message ko? Maraming salamat sa iyong mga anak, Tita Weng, kasi natulungan nila kami this pandemic. And God bless. I love you so much, Tita Weng Dudes. Alam mo yan.
Okay.
Sean.
Hi, Tita Weng. First of all, happy birthday po. And enjoy your day po. Spend it with your family po. Marami ka pong tulong sa akin, especially sa Cavite po. Nagpapasalamat po ako doon. And gamit yung mga gamit yung mga binibigay mong t-shirt, Tita Weng. Thank you very much po doon. Happy birthday po. Ayun nga.
Maraming salamat.
Hoy, Kuya Par!
Demonyo talaga to yun.
Hoy, ikaw naman, Uncle!
Ate, happy birthday. Salamat ulit sa lahat. Huwag kang magsasawang tumulong sa amin at sa family mo dyan. Kamusta kayo at maraming salamat at happy birthday. God bless.
BBM!
O, Pits, ikaw na.
Maraming salamat sa mga suporta mo sa amin sa panahon na pandemic na ito. Maging sa mga anak mo, sa mga suporta nila. Maraming salamat din. At stay safe. We love you. Peace.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Tita Weng! Thank you po sa lahat ng tulong mo. Thank you lalo na sa prayers mo for us. We love you. We missed you, Tita Weng. Stay strong, stay healthy, and stay pretty. God bless you. Mama, mama. Happy birthday!
Hi, Mama Weng. Kumusta? And happy birthday. Nawa ang Panginoon pa rin po ang mag-lead sa iyong buhay. And siya pa rin magiging sentro po. And happy birthday and enjoy your day din po. And stay healthy. Love you. Miss you.
Hello, Ate Weng. This is from the Beauties. Yay! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Tita Weng. God bless. Ingat lagi dyan. I-miss you na. Balik ka na dito. Bye.
Happy birthday, Ate Weng. We miss you.
Happy birthday, Tita Weng. Ingat lagi dyan.
Hi, Mariko. Today is your birthday. Narito ako para bumati sa iyo ng happy birthday. Wish you good health, stay safe, good luck, and have a many more birthdays and blessings to come. Ingat ka palagi, Mariko. I love you. God bless you. Bye.